the good thing. Come to the fire, not to the city when I'm hard. Good thing them. Watch out. I've been doing good thing them. Everything. Hey boys, good thing. Remember the road. We have to do the good thing there. The good clothes and the good shoes there. Good chain and the good ring. And the shopping and the mall and the good shoes.
Welcome to this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Chrissy and we're on Montrose Road in Kingston. We have a jam-packed show just for you. So without any delay, let's get down to business. Magnum brand ambassador Spice was crowned Queen of Stage and Ding Dong was named King of Dance. It all went down at the Magnum Big 20 launch. Let's check out the highlights. To me, Magnum has done a phenomenal job and we have to thank our consumers who love this brand. The streets, this is where Magnum belongs, in the streets, in dancehall. We know our consumers are passionate about Magnum and because of them, Magnum has just been soaring. Not just in Jamaica, but Magnum is also growing in the Caribbean and in the markets where it currently exists, like the UK. But it's been phenomenal, so big up to all the Magnum lovers. And we know how Magnum consumers feel about Magnum. They love it. From the beginning, we have been there in the streets. We have been doing the shows, promoting the events. We had even 2 TV shows around dancehall. So we really endorsed it and dancehall and embraced Magnum and took Magnum as their own. And so we have to really say big up.
I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. Hold on,
Give me a jump. Give me a next jump. Give me a next jump. Give me 2 jump. Down for 7. Roll it this up. Roll it this up. Roll it this up. Roll it this up. I am sorry that we now move. Take 1 step forward. Take 1 more step forward. Take 1 step with 1 foot forward. Step back. Jump to me. Jump again. Lift her up over your head. Go tap, 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 tap.
We are targeting our promoters of events, right? Because guess what? We need our promoters of events. They are the ones hosting these parties across the island, and they do it all the time. And they're selling Magnum, they're endorsing Magnum, and so we're giving them some attention this time. So our Q4 promotion will have our promoters of events will have an opportunity to pitch a video. So just go to www.magnumhub.tv and they can upload their video of why we should sponsor their event. And what are we doing in that sponsorship? Over $10 million in prizes to be given away, right, in value to promoters. So 20 promoters across Jamaica will win or get the chance to win $500,000 in sponsorship value towards their event for the Christmas. So we're doing more. In the event, we're also going to do 3 big town square parties across Jamaica. And we're taking our brand ambassador Ding Dong with us, and he's going to bring excitement to Jamaica. And we're going across the island. So 3 big town square parties, that's a part of the program. And in those town square parties, we're giving back to our consumers. So the consumers, 20 consumers, you know we're playing on this big 20, right? 20 consumers will have the opportunity to win $400,000 in cash.
And now, Magnum's new brand ambassador.
Magnum brand is synonymous with dancehall, and so is Spice, right? Spice is the queen of stage, so we really had to find a strong partnership. We have Ding Dong already, the king of dance, so we really had to find, a partner to take the Magnum brand across the world, not even just the Caribbean. But now we're going to start with the Caribbean, but our vision is across the world, and it's a natural marriage. And you know what? She's just awesome. She's just amazing. Not just a great and talented, but how she presents herself and represents her brand.
It signifies me and who I am, because I believe that I am Magnum and Magnum is me, just as I'm dancehall and Magnum is dancehall. So it signifies me and my brand, and both of us is celebrating 20 years. It's something special about Magnum because I believe that Magnum represents dancehall so much, just as the way I do. And I believe that there is no dancehall event that is kept that you don't see a Magnum or a man of a Magnum. And there's no dancehall event that can keep right now where you don't hear a Spice play. And that is why it's special to me that I'm representing something that is authentic. There's nothing forced. I believe that I represent the brand so much because both of us is like just the same. 20 years ago, I was a little girl from whole Britain. Coming out of humble beginnings. I remember having one pair of shoes. I remember struggling to get us to listen to a sound box to find out where it is, struggling to go on stage, struggling to make it out there, just going there with witty lyrics and busting the crowd, no name, and just struggling to come into dancehall. 20 years ahead to this day, I believe that I represent dancehall. I am dancehall.
So ladies and gentlemen, all dancehall entertainers know that the stage performance is a crucial element.
When I was first approached by Magnum 2 years ago, it was basically, I had a plan, because I analyzed dancehall to see where we best fit, you understand? And I had a plan to make a mark in corporate. That's the place that sells anything on a commercial level. We as dancehall been doing it in the streets for years, and we haven't get over that bump yet, doing it just from dancehall, from the streets. You have street dancehall, you have corporate dancehall. It's a big difference. Ding Dong and Ravers is the only brand that represents Boom Boom To, that only represents streets and corporate commercial at the same time. You understand? True dancehall. So it's a big difference. So my intentions was to cross in the corporate section. And we devised a plan where we're going to keep Magnum Explosions, where we're going to go to the Caribbean islands and all them things. And I was delighted at it because I wanted our music and our movement to reach in the Caribbean and take time reach the world. And it has done great apps for it. I love that Magnum support dancehall, the core of dancehall, not just the prettier part of dancehall, not just the commercial part of dancehall. They support dancehall. They will take the beat and will come with it, and they take the praises will come with it. That's good supporters. You can't beat that. All I say to Magnum is, continue to do what you do in Magnum, continue supporting our brand, continue supporting our culture, continue supporting Jamaican dancehall.
Up next, we meet Jumbo, and DJ Nicholas has this week's music video premiere.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Nephew, our spirit.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cock, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.